How to fix WhatsApp call problem. In today's short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp call problem easily and fast. First thing you wanna do, guys, is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager, open the apps like this. Now on this page, as you can see, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find WhatsApp, click on it, and now this is the app information page. As you can see, all what you want to do here is very simple. Just click on this option right here to stop running the app in the background of your phone, and then click down here on the storage, click on clear cache, go back, click on the data usage, make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data, go back, and last thing you want to do now is open the Play Store and make sure to update your WhatsApp into the latest version. And after that, you have to turn off your phone, turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.